we're on the Aquaspirit 585, which is the flagship model of the Aquaspirit range that we do in the UK. The main feature on this boat, apart from it can take 9 people, yeah, is these pipe-along tubes here, which are what we call D-rings. They're detachable, so you can slide them on, slide them off. Yeah, so you can either upgrade them, repair them easily, change the colour of it. But the main feature is this D-ring style, which means you lose nothing inside the boat. So look at the space that you gain. Usually you would have another ring that's coming inside this boat, yeah, which if you have it on both sides, you lose a lot of interior space. So I'm not exactly a small person, so you can see we're getting quite a bit of room here. Now it's a brilliant all-round boat, especially for the sea, yeah, in quite good conditions. You know, it would take many people out to the ocean quite fairly. It's got the optimal 115 horsepower on the back, Suzuki, keyless start, which is very, very good. It will, if you want better economy, take a 90 horsepower, but I find it much better with the 115. And we're going to take it out into Plymouth Sound now and have a blast around and see what we can do. All right.